Friends, today we will discuss my recent $10,000 portfolio. I'll show you which coins are in profit and which ones are in the red. We'll also talk about what I plan to do next. In addition, we'll cover what lies ahead for the cryptocurrency market, discuss the upcoming crypto summit, and explore possible scenarios for the future. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and watch this video till the end. There's a lot of interesting content ahead. Friends, tomorrow marks the first US crypto summit of the year. Trump has decided to share something very important and intriguing. While we don't yet know exactly what will be discussed, we can speculate on possible topics and how they might impact the market. First of all, there is a high probability that we will get more details about the strategic reserve. So far, all we have is Trump's post listing the coins that will be included. Jagdeep Sidhu, president of the Syscoin Foundation, noted, "It's clear the administration favors including a more diverse set of asset classes, but I suspect they will be forced to defend that position during the summit, as many industry leaders have questioned the decision to include altcoins like XRP, Cardano, and Solana." It will be very interesting to hear what Trump's administration has to say about this, especially since many people are frustrated with the inclusion of certain altcoins as the selection criteria remain unclear. Another important point comes from Rishi Manchey, co-founder of Movement Labs, who stated, "The US must show that it is open for business. This means tax incentives for developers, regulatory clarity for projects, and pathways to compliance without years of legal battles with regulators." This reflects the general sentiment that clear regulations are necessary to attract businesses and create jobs in the US. It would be great if the summit provided an updated SEC policy on cryptocurrencies. Many also expect developments regarding taxation. If the US introduces tax-free status for crypto companies relocating to the country to establish itself as the crypto capital of the world, this could create an influx of new projects into the States, which would be a majorly bullish sign. And that's just part of the long list of topics the crypto community is eagerly awaiting. Personally, I see two possible outcomes for the market. If the summit establishes clear regulatory frameworks that support innovation while protecting investors, institutional interest will likely increase, driving demand for digital assets. Analysts at Reuters have noted that the market is looking for reasons to rally, and a pro-crypto regulatory framework from the Trump administration could be just that. On the flip side, the crypto community might be overhyping expectations. If the summit fails to meet them, such as not providing concrete steps for regulation or reserve allocations, the market could react negatively. A Nexo analyst pointed out, if the hearings do not reveal plans for immediate purchases or significant policy changes, market reaction will likely be weak. No matter the outcome, I expect high volatility in the coming days, so I don't recommend trading futures. It's better to focus on the spot market, as recent liquidations have shown how market manipulation leads to massive losses. Now, let's move on to my portfolio. About a month ago, I built a $10,000 portfolio, carefully selecting a diverse range of altcoins representing different narratives, blockchains, and ecosystems. Unfortunately, when I initially assembled it, the market was in a much better position. Due to the recent downturns and constant market fluctuations, I'm currently sitting at a negative 20% loss. However, I don't see this as a major setback. So let's go through each asset, and I'll share whether I plan to average down my entry point. Let's start with Solana, which I allocated 30% of my portfolio to. At the moment, it hasn't performed well, as my average entry price was $194. There are several reasons for this, from the broader market decline to major token unlocks affecting price action. However, considering all factors, I still maintain a bullish outlook on this asset. Despite a decline in degens activity, Solana remains one of the most popular and widely used blockchains among competitors. Additionally, there are already multiple pending applications for spot Solana ETFs, and some have already entered the review phase. If these ETFs get approved, I anticipate a strong inflow of capital, which could significantly boost price action. Moreover, we already know that Solana will be included in the US Strategic Crypto Reserve. As this reserve gets implemented, I expect further price appreciation. Given these factors, I've decided to add another $10,000 to my portfolio. Out of that, I will allocate $2,500 more to Solana to lower my average entry price. Let's move on to an asset closely tied to Solana, the ecosystem's major player, Jupiter. This is a strong and highly promising decentralized exchange that currently leads in trading volume on the Solana blockchain. Personally, I really like their product and actively use it. On top of that, most of my JUP tokens are staked, and I regularly participate in governance votes, directly influencing the project's future. What I appreciate most is how the team approaches development. They are fully committed to ensuring Jupiter's long-term success. Recently, they made bullish moves to strengthen the ecosystem, burned 3 billion JUP tokens, reducing supply significantly, introduced a buyback mechanism that uses 50% of the exchange's trading fees to repurchase tokens from the market. As Solana and its ecosystem grow, Jupiter is poised to expand alongside it. Considering all this, I bought another $1,000 worth of JUP to strengthen my position. Regarding the remaining coins in this portfolio, I've decided not to make any changes for now, as I'm more than satisfied with my current entry points. This means I still have $6,500 left from the $10,000 I allocated for this month. So I've decided to add 2 more coins to my portfolio while keeping $4,000 in stablecoins. This will allow me to average down my entry points in case of deeper market corrections. Which coins did I decide to add? I'll briefly go over each one and explain why I chose them. The first asset is ICP. This is a well-known Layer 1 blockchain and at the same time, a breakthrough project in the AI sector. What I like about it is that they were the first to create real AI on the blockchain, rather than just hyping up AI without actual implementation. I still believe this coin will get its wave of attention and can easily show 2 to 3x growth from current levels. However, it's important to clarify that this scenario will only be realistic if a true bull market begins. In that case, a 2 to 3 times gain would even be considered conservative. Moving on to the final token in my portfolio, I also decided to add SUI for $1,250. I've talked about this asset multiple times, one of the best and most underrated Layer 1 blockchains. Recently, the project's ecosystem has expanded significantly, incorporating many new and, more importantly, crucial projects and initiatives. Additionally, SUI is working on a crypto gaming console that will undoubtedly feature exclusive GameFi projects, and it's highly likely that console owners will receive various rewards. From what I know, we should be able to see this gaming console very soon. Furthermore, Trump's son has been actively promoting SUI, and on the very day this video was recorded, Donald Trump's crypto project announced the creation of a strategic reserve for the SUI asset, with Ondo also included in that reserve. All of these factors led me to add SUI to my portfolio. What do you think about my choices? Let me know in the comments. That's all for now. Remember, these are just my personal market opinions, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for new coin reviews. See you next time.